Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the ZT Max 20 smartwatch. And as you can see here, it is an Apple Watch Ultra clone smartwatch loaded with sports and with an AMOLED screen display. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing of this wearable. We will check the design, the specs, and the UI of the ZT Max 20 smartwatch. So if you are interested to know more about this wearable, watch this video. And again, if you find this video unboxing useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and have the unboxing review of the ZT Max 20 smartwatch. So before we check on the contents of this wearable, let's check first the packaging. So as you can see here, it has a decent looking box. It is a decent looking box with the features here on the front. We have the size of the screen, some of the features. At the back, we have additional details on the available functions for the wearable. We also have here, I don't know if this is the support app or the website. So there's a two strap that is available for our wearable, and it is black in color for our smartwatch. Okay, so nice looking packaging here. So let's check the contents. Let's see, and of course we will dive into the contents of the smartwatch or the contents of the box. We will check on the contents of the box, the packaging. Again, this is the ZT Max smartwatch. So let's remove the plastic here. So the contents of the box are, let's check. We have the user manual available in English and Chinese language. Very small text. Anyway, we don't read it anymore. We'll just follow the instructions on the app. We have the strap here. So this is an Ocean strap in black color with steel lock or buckle. We have sporty classic strap and the charging cable, USB type A. Then of course we have the smartwatch. It says on the plastic cover we have, where's that? The black color. Okay, I misplaced it. But as you can see here, we do have the titanium color here. So let's remove the plastic first. We have the usual design here, sporty ultra design. Okay, before we check on the design of this wearable, we will check on the dimension. Okay, again, here are the contents of the smartwatch. We have the smartwatch. We have at least two straps here, the user manual, and we have the USB type A charging cable wireless charger. So here are the contents. Next, let's check the weight and the dimension of this smartwatch before we attach the strap. Let's go first with the weight. Let's turn it on. 00, we have 38.09. with the strap attached. Depending on the strap, we have 51 here for the Ocean strap. For the Classic Sport strap, we have 49.54. The other one 51.28. Again, so 50.81, around 50.81. Then for the dimension, before we attach the strap, the thickness for the wearable is around 12.1. Then for the length, let's see, so 48. Then let's see, so 48.9, or shall we say 49. So it is a 49mm smartwatch, and we have, let's see, without the buttons, $41 or 42. I think this is 42. Okay, 42 mm. Let's attach the strap so we can check out the design. Let's put the strap here. Let's slide it in. So there's a watch strap lock here, but it's not locking. Okay, I guess you really have to attach a metal strap here. Much better strap compared to this one. It has a plastic. It's not really locking on the smartwatch, as you can see here. It's still sliding. It's easily removed or can be easily disattached when you are using it. Okay, for the design. So for the design, we have a crown button here, a side button. At the back, we have real screws here, and a star screw. We have a watch strap lock, cover for the sensor. We have the speaker here, and the orange action button. So let's turn it on before we check on the specs. Let's see if there's a battery left. Smartwatch ZT Fit. Okay, again, here's the design of the wearable. So a typical design for this Apple Watch or Apple Watch Ultra clone. Let's see. So this is rotary. Okay, return button, I think, and we have a, maybe this is the usual orange action button. Okay, so the same style or layout with other smartwatches. For the specifications, I'm going to state it here. So the processor for this wearable is the 8762DK. I'm going to put it here. 250 mAh battery based on the specs on the product page. We have a 2.1 or 2.19 inch AMOLED screen display, as you can see here, with a 320 by 385 pixel resolution. Bluetooth 5.2, compatible with Android and iOS. For the support app, some of the website or shopping sites states that it is using the JU Pro. I don't know if it's using this JU Pro, as it has a different QR code here. Maybe it is using a ZT Fit app also, or ZT app. We will check it. Okay, so we have the Max 20 ZT Max 20 smartwatch here. So what do you think of the specs here? Next, let's check out the UI of the smartwatch. On top we have, let's see, notifications. On the bottom part we have the settings. For the smartwatch. On the right side, we have the widgets. So as you can see here, it's a familiar layout for affordable smartwatches. And on the right side, we have a dashboard here for the common apps. To access the main menu, just press the power button. You can also use the power button here to change the watch face. This is a return button, and this is the sports button. Okay, so basic layout or setup for our ZT Max 20 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below, and watch out for our second video for this wearable, checking out the menus and features. So that's it. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.